Class 1 EVS. Good morning students. Today's topic is Knowing My Body, Chapter 2. In this lesson, you will learn about my body. Body works like machine. Now let us see my body. You can see here different parts of a body, and we do different works from all the different parts of the body. So let us see the picture here. First is hair. You can see a boy having black hair. This is called hair. Then head, under the hair, face, neck, chest, arm, hand, stomach, leg, foot. Then on your left hand side you can see eye, ear, nose, teeth, mouth, shoulder, elbow, finger, knee and toe. So these are the different parts of our body. Now how a body works like machine? Let us find out. We have 2 legs and 2 feet. So how it will work like machine? We walk with our legs, we run with our legs, we can stand on our feet, right? Now let us find out how a body works with our arms and 2 hands. So we have 2 arms and 2 hands. We work with our hands, we write with our hands, we brush our teeth, we eat our meals, we do drawing with our hands and so on. Now children, did you know all the body parts that we can see are called the external parts of our body? So the parts of the body which we can see are called external parts. External means the parts of the body you can see from outside, like hands, legs, eyes, head, ear. Okay, so you can see all these parts from outside. So we call them external parts of our body. I hope you understand the lesson. Let us do some exercise. First is unjumble the body parts to get the correct answer. First part is GLE, and if we correct this unjumble word, we get the answer as leg. L-E-G, leg. Now the second one is O-O-T-F. So if we unjumble this, we will get the right answer as foot. F-O-O-T, foot. Third is M-A-R. The correct answer is A-R-M, arm. Fourth word is D-A-H-N. So the correct answer is hand. H-A-N-D, hand. Second question. write the name of part which help in. So, from which part of the body we can get help? What kind of help? Let us find out. The first is hearing. From which part of the body we can hear? Yes, it is ear. E-A-R, ear. Second, from which part of the body we can see? Yes, we can see with our eyes. E-Y-E, eye. Third, from which part of the body we eat? Yes, we eat from our mouth. M-O-U-T-H, mouth. From which part of the body we can smell? Yes, we can smell with nose. N-O-S-E, nose. Third part of the question is answer the following questions. First question, name any 4 parts of the body. Answer is head, H-E-A-D, head. Eyes, E-Y-E-S, eyes. Hand, H-A-N-D, hand. Leg, L-E-G, leg. So these are the 4 parts of the body. Write down in your notebook and learn it properly. Second question, write the activities you do with your hands. What things you can do with the help of your hands? Let us see the answer. I hold things. We can hold anything with our hands. Second, I write. You do your classwork, your homework, so you write in the notebook with the help of your hands. Yes. Third is, I brush my teeth. So with the help of your hands, you brush your teeth also. Then with the help of your hand, what you can also do? You can eat your food with your hands. So I eat. So these are the activities you can do with the help of your hands. Third question, which body part help you to walk and run? So the answer is legs. With the help of your legs, you can run and you can also walk. Fourth question, which body part help you to hold things? So the answer is hands. With the help of your hands, you hold things. Children, you have to write all these question answers in your notebook. Write down properly in neat handwriting and learn all the spellings. Thank you.